In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams into your N8n workflows in a way that's both efficient and easy to follow. If you're looking to optimize your team collaboration and automate your communication processes, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by opening your N8n workflow editor. This is your central hub for creating and managing all your automation workflows. Once you've got that open, the next step is to add a new Microsoft Teams node. This node acts as the bridge between N8n and your Microsoft Teams account, making automation between the two possible. Now, we need to establish a secure connection between N8n and Microsoft Teams. To do this, authenticate your Teams account using OAuth credentials. This ensures that your data is communicated securely and efficiently. You'll typically need to follow prompts to grant the necessary permissions, which allows N8n to interact with your Teams account on your behalf. This step is crucial to enable accurate and safe automation. Once authenticated, it's time to set up what you'd like Microsoft Teams to do within this workflow. You have several options here. Perhaps you want to send automated messages, create new channels dynamically, or establish other triggers or actions that suit your use case. For example, if you often need to notify your team when a task is completed, you can automate message sending directly into your chosen channel. Or maybe you're looking to automate the creation of channels based on project advancements. Tailor this to fit your specific needs. We're halfway there. Now, it's time to connect the Teams node with other nodes in your workflow. This connection is what allows the automation magic to happen. Depending on your workflow's complexity, you might be linking it with a variety of nodes that could include task managers, databases, or other communication tools you're using. Think of this as crafting the path that your data will travel, ensuring smooth communication between all parts of your automated processes. Before you go live with this workflow, it's important to test it. Testing will help ensure everything is set up correctly and functions as expected. Go through each aspect of your workflow to verify that Microsoft Teams is responding appropriately to the triggers or actions you've dictated. Adjust and refine the setup as needed based on these test outcomes. Once you're satisfied with the test results, activate your workflow. Activation means your automation is now live and will begin to function as designed. You can now sit back and let N8n handle the repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on more important strategic work. And there you have it, a seamless integration of Microsoft Teams into your N8n workflow editor. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this walkthrough helps streamline your team communications and workflow automation. See you next time.